In this video, we are going to show you 3 impressive figures how to finish your dance to the music. Let's go!
Okay guys, so for this one we start in the closed position. We're going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8 we start the preparation by breathing in. So we make ourselves big. And now on 1, we bring our foot backwards and raise the lady and bring her towards us.
Yes. Ladies, it's important that you let him lift you out of your balance. So you are not carrying your own weight anymore. And you will have connection here on the hip, but not on the chest. Here you have space.
Yes, so make sure for the followers to avoid coming with your chest and the hips trying to avoid the connection. The most important part in this movement is that we at the end have the hip connection. Yeah. Okay, so we come here in 1, 2, 3, 4, and from here we rotate the lady in 5, and we make her sit. So guys, in this case, we don't want to just rotate like this and make her fall. So we want her to stay in her place. So we have to make sure to keep her weight in this part by rotating and shifting our weight to this leg.
For the ladies, it's very important that you keep your back straight and not like this or to another side, and that you go down and let him rotate your whole body to this side.
Yes, and make sure to always have here good connection, because we help you, we support you here, and also to bring you up. So from this point of view, let's count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this one, we start in the open position and we do a turn for the lady in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And guys, in 7, we continue turning the lady in 7 and bring her arm over here down in 7. Now on 8, we prepare the dip by unlocking her hips here and bringing our upper body to this side. So we are here and we do this.
Make sure when he unlocks your hip that your upper body comes to the front, and you search for connection on his left leg. So you're here connected, you come to the front with your upper body and your hip is back.
Yes. So now that we prepare, we go into the dip in the other direction in 1, 2, 3, 4.
When he pulls your hip to the front, this will make your upper body close. So you're here. And now he pulls your hip to the front, your upper body closes, and you go down step by step. You can decide how much you want to go down, and make sure to control your neck always and not just throw it to the back.
Yes, and also for the followers, remember that at the end, even though you have control of your head, the neck is open. So we don't want you to stay here, for example. So let's do it with counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue. Okay guys, so for this one, we start in the closed position. We go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. So in 7 tap, we start the preparation of the Cambré by going up and breathing in and bringing this shoulder up and then diagonally down. And we start creating this circle. And now the Cambré is a circular motion with the upper body in 1, 2, 3, 4. So for us guys, we are not coming with hair during the movement. We are giving her her space, and we are also not bringing her down. We don't want to bring her all the way here down. Just a little bit is necessary, and it's also safer.
For the follow-up, make sure to keep connection here. This gives you a lot more stability when you are on the back. And when he prepares you, you can go very much down here on this side. But when you are back, make sure to come back a little bit to the front and not to open too much to the back so you don't get injured. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and watch our other videos. They will help you to improve your dance as well. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!